Hello guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cut audio in Audacity. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate your Audacity application. Open the recording that you want to cut out or record your audio and then your interface is going to look something like this. On your interface, you will have to simply navigate to this small icon that says Selection Tool. Click on this eye icon and select the audio that you want to cut. After selecting that audio, you will have to simply zoom in by clicking on the zoom in button and see if the audio is precisely chosen or not. Choose the audio or the part that you want to cut out and select it, right click and click on cut. When you click on this cut button, or you can also click on Ctrl plus X together, and that will cut out this specific part from your audio automatically. As you can see, that part has been removed. What you can do is select another part, click on cut, and that part will be cut out from your audio. That is the simple way to cut out audio from your Audacity recordings. Now another thing that you can do is select a part of your audio, navigate to edit, choose remove special and click on split cut. Now that part will be automatically removed, leaving an empty space. You'll have to join your audio now, and that's how you can cut out audio in Audacity. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thanks for watching.